Get up, big boy. Stand up. Don't get dirty. Say hi. You better get at her. You want her number? You want her phone number? You want her phone number? Come here.
What?
Stop. I said you want her phone number?
Yeah.
Let me go get it for you. Where'd she go?
I don't know.
Go play with your car. Get it out the grass. Be quiet. Tell her again. Say, be quiet.
Be quiet. My car.
I love you. Caleb. I love you.
I do.
No, you don't. Get out the grass with it. Caleb, get it out the grass. Caleb, get it out the grass. Play with it over there. What you doing? Get it? Nope. Stay away from the street. Caleb, turn around. Come this way. Caleb, you want a whooping? Caleb, turn around and come back over here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Caleb. Caleb. Come here. I love you.